Welcome back to Channeling Luxury. This video is exclusively on the Garden Party 23, which I was able to purchase in Paris. They actually did have quite a few of them in stock, so if you are looking for one, I recommend maybe picking up a few other items, but mentioning at the beginning of your appointment that you are looking for a specific bag. If you're not looking for a Coda bag, you have a much better chance of scoring something like an Evelyn, a Picotin, this new little Garden Party. My sales associate was actually, he seemed surprised that I wanted to pick this up. Because it was so small, as he said, but I think it's super cool. So I'm going to give you a heads up that this is technically the color gold. Now, you're going to look at this video if you know gold from Hermes and say that is not gold. You're right. It's not the gold that we're used to. It is listed as gold in their computer, and I do not know why. And my sales associate seemed a little bit baffled too, quite frankly. So quite frankly, running joke. This little guy, 23 centimeters. So usually we are working with a 30, right? So 30 is what our small used to be. So this is the mini. And you can see inside, it has the contrast white stitching. It's leather on the bottom with fabric on the side. For me, this is exactly like my E2 Garden Party that's larger. One zippered pocket in here. It has the little pieces here to tighten it up a little bit. There is no shoulder strap, so if you're looking for one, you're going to be out of luck. You can probably attach something here. All of us get creative, right, with twillies and belts and all sorts of things. I've seen double twillies. And then there are no feet on the bottom, so just a heads up about that. It is 3,000 euro, so you get the tax refund, obviously, on your way back. I don't know what this is selling for in the US, but it would definitely be more than that. So just a mud shot. This is how big it is. To me, it's actually roughly like a Birkin 25, which if we think it's only 2 centimeters smaller than that. And I think it's just about perfect. I wish I could have gotten multiple colors, but I'm 5'4", 120 for reference. And so it would hang down to here. If I let my arm drop all the way, it would hang to here. But if it's easy for me to put on the crook of my arm. Actually, it fits even nicer than a Birkin 25 does. And that's that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are.